Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the blue screen error critical process died. Alright, let's begin. First, if you can access your computer, open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the left side, select Windows Update. Scroll down to Advanced Options, then go to Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will reboot and take you to the recovery screen. If you cannot log in, you can still access recovery mode by performing a forced shutdown. Hold the power button until the PC turns off, then turn it back on. When the Windows logo appears, hold the power button again to shut it down. Repeat this 3 to 4 times, and on the third attempt, Windows will launch recovery mode automatically. Once on the recovery screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and start with Startup Repair. This will automatically scan and fix some issues. If the problem persists, go back and open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, bootsect/nt60sys, bootrec/boot, bootrec/rebuild, SFC/scan now, chkdscane/f. Let the scans complete. Once everything finishes, close the command prompt, select Continue, and restart your computer. So that's basically how you can fix the blue screen critical process died error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.